only. Bafani, Ramaphosa, ANC. They're all funny. They're so funny, it hurts. I don't know what to say. Every time they lose the plot, it's like an old person has released a fart in a room. And out of respect, typical black kids, we just open our mouths and go, oh, deep inside, deep inside, deep inside.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Good God.
Because it's hard. Many people can't believe it's blacks, Ramaphosa or the ANC that is doing this. I know it's hard to believe, but ANC is not tastic. You don't put it into a pot with water and expect it to come out kabuyelo. Even tastic has some pride, has some standards. Been delivering good standards to black families for years. But lekakale, they are fitting taxis with anti-COVID tech. The Gauteng, Katniss, doesn't even qualify to be called tech. Look, maybe I don't know what the word tech or technology means. And no one told us or the condom, so we walked around the streets with a certificate with confidence. Yes, someone all pass it saying, but we didn't qualify to enter Basit, and we had too much confidence and too much pride already to rewrite or repeat. But with that experience in my whole life, I've never thought I'd see the word technology being used so loosely. When all they've invented is just plastic for the taxi. Can you blinds in Tote? They've invented a mask for my first time. You must look at that thing. I had a good look at that thing. And I was like, hi man. Can you blinds it? There's nothing new about this thing. I give you 5 for creativity. Quantums have had these things for years. For many years. You know the thing I'm talking about. That blackish fishnet-like thing that always stops you when you're trying to throw things outside through the window. Yeah, same. Mara malume ngikolo ngwana gage ba ibitsa gore ke anti-COVID technology. Technology guy. You'd swear government comes from Maputo, Limpopo. They are so creative. They do come from Limpopo. I can't talk about anti-COVID tech the whole day. Let's look on the bright side. The sun is bright. And I'm sure that American racist Abraham Lincoln, when he said, government of the people, by the people, for the people, poetic and stupid and confusing as that may sound, he didn't know that one day South Africa will have the ANC and COVID of the people, by the people, for the people, to eat. The way ANC were Talangawana, you know. You saw where the country say for the rana. But the attitude here, what's about it? If this relationship ends, it must end. But that's what happens when you take voting advice from politicians. How are we even having people protest to have shelter over their heads in the middle of a fucking pandemic? I don't know. Anyway,